Okay, Elena, Sarah's going to eat some cereal for the first time.
Sarah's 6-month birthday. And surprise, here's some cereal. Okay, but you don't eat the spoon. You ready to feed yourself, huh?
Meow.
I don't know what you got in your mouth. You're so excited to eat.
Some.
It's like we never feed her.
You nummy? It's so runny. Elena, stay here, please. You are crazy. I don't remember Elena doing this.
Oh, your hand was right next to it. Sarah, is that good? Nummy, nummy? Cute. Num, 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 num. Is that good? She's all excited. Elena, watch your hands, babe.
You're going to need another bath tonight. I know.
She's like, gimme.
I don't know why they have you make it so runny for the first time. Probably because they're not used to anything but liquid, I suppose. Elena, what are you doing? Elena!
She's right there. She's fine.
Yeah, look what she's got in her hand.
What does she have in her hand?
Handful of dog food.
Okay, she's fine. It's not in her mouth. Elena, can you go put that back, please?
Yeah.
Okay, all done. Uh-oh. That's better. Get it in your mouth. Say, Mommy, get it out of my nose.